This is lesson 4, and we're looking at Tamreen Ithnain, or drill 2. And in this drill, again, we are looking at relative pronouns, such as alladhi, allati in the singular, alladhani, allatani in the dual, and alladhina for masculine plural, and allati or allai or allawati in the feminine plural. So in this drill, what you're going to do is you have two blanks, and in the first blank, you're going to choose a noun. Now that noun needs to agree with the predicate of the sentence at the end or near the end of the sentence. So in number 1 here, we have blank blank tajlis fil hadiqa kabira to sin. So notice kabira is feminine singular. Okay, so our main clause is going to consist of the first blank, kabira to sin. So we can say, well, kabira to sin is feminine singular, so we're going to say al-mar'atu, the woman. Okay, the woman is elderly. Okay, the woman is elderly. That's our main clause. The subclause here is going to be allati tajlisu fil hadiqa. Now, you're going to use a different example or different words when you complete your assignment, okay? But I just gave you two there for an example in number 1, so you get an idea. But most of these are all going to fall into the same category. You're going to have a nominal sentence which consists of a subject and a predicate, and then a subclause in the middle. Okay, so blank, which were established in this city, are both large. Thalatha, we have blank, which is in the library, is cheap. Arba'a, we have blank, which, or blank, whom I saw are very beautiful. Khamsa, blank, which I purchased are fat. Okay, but it's dual there. Okay, so probably you're going to have here in number 5 some type of animal. Okay, in the dual. Sitta, we have blank, which is in front of me, is new. Sab'a, blank, who helped me, traveled in a delegation. Thamania, blank, whom I met, are my friends. Okay. Tisa, blank, who set up the show, is my friend. Ashara, blank, which I rode during the trip, were produced or were manufactured in Japan. ركبتهما أثناء الرحلة صنعتا في اليابان. أحد عشر, we have 11, blank, which I purchased, is very expensive. Blank, and then 12, blank, which I witnessed in the museum, is very old. So here, again, we're doing relative pronouns, and you're going to choose a noun that goes in the first blank that fits correctly with the sentence, and also using a relative pronoun that matches to that noun. Ma'as salama.